So tonight, because this is my fourth video tonight. So tonight I'm going to be doing gymnastics challenge. I was gonna do like a little Q&A things, and I was gonna put in my glasses case thing so I could mix it up and pick a gymnastics thing I would have to do. But I didn't end up doing that. So I'm just gonna pick a few things that I want to do. So first I'm gonna do a back bend. Kick over. So you can't really see me good. So I'm gonna put you down here while I do gymnastics. So that was my back bend kick over. You couldn't really see it, so I'm gonna do it one more time. So I'm gonna do it from this angle. It might work better. Yeah, so that's my back bend kick over. Now I'm going to do a cartwheel. So yeah. And I do it with my right foot, just saying. That was bad. Let me do that one more time. So that's my cartwhel. Guys, so I just took these off. But I have these new slippers. And I got them at CVS, and you can get them at your local CVS. They're adult size, but they fit me pretty good. So yeah. Comment down below what sneaker size you are. And what's your favorite color? My sneaker size, I don't really know, like 4, 3 and a half, I don't remember. What's your boot size? I think mine's like 5.5 because they run small. So yeah. So now I'm going to continue my challenge. I just want to show you that. So yeah. So now I'm going to do a handstand. I'm not good at it really, so just don't judge. Wait, let me do it one more time. Sometimes I can hold it for long, sometimes I can't. So that's my handstand, I guess. Now I'm gonna do my wrist split. So I'm gonna move you guys to the other way. Okay. Sorry guys. Okay. So I need you guys to see me like a good angle. Like this. Like a good angle. There we go. So I'm gonna do my right split first. I can go all the way down. So yeah. And then my left split I'm not that good with. This is my left split. It's not that good. And then now, oh, I can do this really good too. Ready? Oh, let me try to do it more. I need to stretch before, but whatever. Yeah, so that's the best I can do without stretching before. Those are my poop slippers in the back. And I also want to show you guys this. I'll be right back. I got this flip sequin pillow. It flips nice to naughty. And yeah, so yeah. So yeah, so what else could I do that's gymnasticsy? I'll do my bridge kick over. So this is my bridge. Okay, I gotta scooch back a little bit. So yeah, that is my bridge kick over. Yeah. Oh, I'll do one-handed cartwheel. That's so fun. Oh dang, I put my hand down. Hold on, let me scooch these over again. Go, okay. Let me try. Okay, you couldn't really see that, but I did it. Yeah. So it's basically what my night is going to be. And I have nothing else really to do. And yeah. yeah, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Love you.